All right, so let's zoom out for a second because everything we've talked about so far, tools, chatbots, agents, and systems, it all leads to this. There are going to be two types of people using AI over the next year: the ones using tools and the ones building systems. And the gap between those two, it's going to get bigger fast. Because right now, most people are still focused on the tools. They're using things like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Claude, and Microsoft Copilot. And they're asking, what can this do? Normal question, right? But that's the wrong question. Because when you stay at that tool level, you're still doing the work. You're prompting, copying, pasting, managing everything. AI helps, but it doesn't really change anything. The shift happens when you move from tools to systems. And a system is just multiple pieces working together to produce a result. So instead of asking, what can this tool do? You start asking, what do I want done? Now you build something that takes input and processes it and produces an output automatically. And once you do that, you realize that there's another level. Not just tools, not just systems, businesses. This is where people start packaging what they built, offering it as a service, charging for access, or building products around it. Now AI isn't just helping you, it's creating value. It's generating results. It's making money. So if you break this down simply, there are 3 levels here. Level 1 is tools. You use the AI. Level 2 is systems. The AI works with you. And level 3 is businesses. AI works for you. That's the progression. And here's the reality. Most people will stay at level 1. Some will get to level 2, but very few will build level 3. And that's where the opportunity is right now, because this is still early. Most people are still experimenting, trying things out, figuring it out as they go. But the people who start thinking in systems and start building around outcomes, they're the ones who are going to move ahead fast. Now, this isn't about learning every tool. It's not about keeping up with every update. It's about understanding the bigger picture. How to take this technology and actually use it to save time, build something, or create income. And this is exactly how I've structured everything that I do. A free level where you can explore what's possible, a paid level where you start building, and then a higher level where you actually turn this into something real. So instead of asking, what can AI do? Start asking, what can I build with this? Because once you make that shift and you stop consuming and you start creating, you stop experimenting and start executing, that's where everything changes. If you want to actually learn how to do this and not just watch videos about it, that's exactly what we're doing inside of my school community, where we build and break things down and actually apply this. Because this isn't just about AI tools, it's about changing how you work and think and what you're capable of building. And once you see it that way, you won't go back. So come over and join us. Links are down below, and I'll see you in the next one.